What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and creamy risotto. Start off by boiling some vegetable stock. Set it aside because you will need it later. The ratio of the risotto is 3:1, so here I have 3 to 4 cups of broth in this pot. In a separate pot, you will need to add some olive oil and garlic. You can also add in some onion or shallots for some flavor, but as y'all know, my husband won't eat anything with onions in it, and he knows what's in here because he's the one that's filming. Next, you're going to add in your vegetables. Today I am using asparagus and mushrooms. Add in some butter and let your vegetables absorb it. Next, you will need arborio rice, which looks like this. I'm using 1 cup, which doesn't seem like a lot, but because the rice absorbs all of the liquid, it will triple in size. Cook your rice and vegetables in the butter until your butter is absorbed. Next, I'm adding in a bit of white wine for acidity and flavor. Once your rice absorbs the wine, it's time to slowly start adding in your stock. Add in about half a cup at a time and let your rice absorb it slowly. If you add in too much liquid at a time, you will be left with this liquidy, goopy mess. As your rice absorbs the liquid, keep adding more stock little by little. While this is absorbing, we're going to add in some spices. You will need salt, pepper, thyme, and parsley. Again, we're going to keep adding our stock until you get the consistency you want. Risotto really isn't hard to make, it's just time consuming, and since you have to watch it, you have to make sure you have enough time to achieve the desired consistency. I'm also adding in some Parmesan cheese for flavor and creaminess. I found a really great vegan one on Thrive Market. I'll leave the link below. Keep mixing your risotto until all of your liquid is absorbed and you're done. This is a great way to get all of your veggies in and create a filling and hearty meal. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all next week.